Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to do the subject and predicate. As we have done this in our previous classes, so let's revise it again. A sentence has two main parts. What are these two main parts? The subject and the predicate. What is the subject? The subject tells who or what the sentence is about, and the predicate tells something about the subject. Focus on these both definition. The subject tells who or what the sentence is about, and predicate tells something about the subject. Subject: who or what the sentence about. Here is an example: Sarah plays. Sarah is a subject here because the sentence is about Sarah, and what she is doing, she is playing. So what will be play here? Predicate. Come to the next example. Predicate: what the subject is doing. Here Gray writes. What Gray is doing? Gray is writing. So what will be writes here? It will be predicate. And what will be Gray here? Gray is subject because the sentence is about the Gray, and what he is doing, he writes. So writes will be predicate. The naming subject, the naming part of a sentence is the subject. It tells who or what the sentence is about. Predicate, the telling part of a sentence is the predicate. It tells what happened. For example, the rabbit ate the carrot. The rabbit is a subject here. Why it is a subject? Because it is a naming part of a sentence. Naming part of a sentence. And it tells who or what the sentence is about. So the sentence is about the rabbit. So rabbit is a subject. And now what we are telling about the sentence, that what is he doing? Ate the carrot. Ate the carrot is a predicate here. Subject is the rabbit because the sentence is about the rabbit. So it is a subject. And what is he doing? Ate the carrot. He ate the carrot is a predicate. Here is a structure of it. The sentence consists of two main parts. First, subject and predicate. Subject is what are we talking about, and predicate is what did the subject or what did we said about the subject. In previous examples we said Gray writes. So Gray is a subject, and what he was doing? Writes. Writes is a predicate. And next we have Sarah plays. The sentence was about the Sarah, and what she was doing? Playing. And then the last we had the rabbit. What was rabbit doing? He was eating the carrot. So what it will be? Predicate. Here are some examples of subject and predicate. Birds fly. Birds is a naming part, and what are they doing? Flying. So fly is a predicate. Cows are gazing in the field. Cows, subject, predicate, are gazing in the field. The tiger killed the hunter. The tiger is a naming part of the sentence, and we are talking about the tiger. So tiger is a subject, and what is he doing? Kill the hunter. The teacher taught us a lesson. What teacher did? Taught us a lesson. These are all examples of subject and predicate. They played very well. We took him to the hospital. My elder brother bought a new house. We should help the poor. You look ill. The dogs bark. A thief broke into the house. Nobody helped us in the trouble. These all are the examples of subject and predicate. watch this video carefully, and still if you have any confusion related to subject and predicate, you can ask in the group. But first watch the video carefully and clear all your confusions from this video.